When you change the appearance of text in your Word document by using multiple enhancements, maybe you have changed font face, font size, perhaps the color of the font being used, even the case. All of these can be saved together in the style, and there are built-in styles to choose from, grouping of enhancement that you can quickly apply to additional text in your document or other document you created here in Word 2019. We are going to explore styles using my document, The Way to Wellness. We are going to start right here in the title, The Way to Wellness. This is title that was plain text when we started. We made some enhancements. We changed the font space to Calibri and we bumped it up to 16 points. We also changed the color, as you can see, the dark gray. Well, if you over here in the ribbon with the home tab selected, check out the styles. You are going to see grouping of styles including headings. If you click this drop down arrow, you will see more including a title. As you see more of these, you are going to see what it might look like if you were applied to that style. And as you hover over these, none of them looks exactly like what we have created. So let's say, for example, we want to leave this in this way it is, but we might want to use it again. In that case, we might want to create our own style out of it. We will do it in a moment. First though, we do see some heading styles that might be applied to some of our content below. Let's go to how many times have we gone to sleep at night. Click in the left hand margin. Now you can select an entire paragraph like this and apply style, or you can simply click anywhere in the paragraph. The styles are automatically applied to entire paragraph, just going to look like the beginning and end, and hard return that takes us to the next slide. So go ahead and just click anywhere in there and let's go up to the heading 1. You can see what that look like. Actually shades the entire line from the left to right margin and changes the colors of the content to white. So we can see it on the dark background. This is heading 1 style. Let's go over the heading 2. You can see that similar to slider, so slighter head shading, so the actual text itself is dark. I think heading 1 is going to work. Let's give it a click and it's a simple applied as is. Let's go over here and next one. We will click anywhere in that paragraph, or if you prefer, go to left margin and select it. You will also notice the formatting toolbar that pops up here. There's a style drop down and we can access this. Let's go to the heading 2 style. Again, as you hover over it, we see what that's going to look like. Looks good. Click to select and then click in the background. You can see what that looks like now. Very nice. Now back to our title. This is our own formatting, but it's something we may want to use on other documents going forward. We can create our own style from this. Just click anywhere in the content. You don't need to select at all. We will go to styles, drop down, and from here we can create a style. This is going to create a style based on the formatting of the text that we have selected or clicked in. So in this case, it's our title, The Way to Wellness. Go ahead and click create a style. Now we get to give it a name. Now some of them are already taken, like title. You can see heading 1, 2, 3, etc. So we might want to give it something that more descriptive, so when we see it, we will understand exactly what it is for. How about top title? Like so. We click OK. We now have new style showing up. You can see a preview of it, top title. We go over the heading 1. You can see what that would look like. Go back to top title. You can see what looks like. So if we were go to the down to this paragraph, while this can happen too, click anywhere in there and hover over the top title, and you can see that would be applied, including the increase the font size. The changes that font face, you can see the color, all the applied with one simple click. We are not going to click top title. We are going to leave it in that way it is. I think looks good just the way it is. Now we can move forward in this document to other document, applying our new style whenever we need it.